have taken part in this operation to inform you the exact conduct of this operation.
The night of 18 and 19 September 2021 in Salamabad Nala by the patrolling party, we saw a group of terrorists crossing the line of control. After an intense firefight between the patrolling party, the terrorists got scared and split into two groups.
He was sent home, and thereafter he was recalled for some important task this year. Individual has given the details of his residence. He has also given the contact number of his mother. That's the number. I'll just give it to you: 0301 366 8927. I'll repeat the number: 0301 366 8927. While he claims, the surrender terrorist, he claims that he was informed by his handlers, by the group, that he is to drop a supply in the area of Pattan. That's the information he was given. He was told that he is going to drop a supply at Pattan. But when we go over the recoveries and modus operandi, it is quite possible that these infiltrating groups had come here for some kind of a strike which went beyond just a supply drop. Now, if I invite your attention to the fact that this infiltration attempt was made in the area of Salamabad Nala, this is the same area through which we have had a history of infiltration in 2016. That is when a suicide attack at Uri garrison took place. It is also revealed that this infiltration group was supported from the Pakistani side by 3 porters who had come till the line of control along with supplies. The Pakistani post opposite this area is the Jabari post. Now, movement of such large group of people cannot take place without active complicity of the Pakistan army deployed on the other side. What we have also seen, that there has been a lot of movement in the launch pad across line of control. You would recall that their infiltration attempt has also been made on 18th when 3 terrorists were neutralized in the neighboring area. Now it shows the desperation of Pakistan when he sees that the peace and stability in Kashmir is something that is not to Pakistan's liking. So there is desperation to send in terrorists to create disturbance and some kind of a sensational strike. In last 7 days, 7 terrorists have been neutralized and 1 terrorist has been apprehended, and 5 of these neutralizations have taken place along the line of control. The major recoveries that have taken place